Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Skoda Karoq SE Technology. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, and the car's covered just over 6,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the metallic race blue and it's in good condition for your mileage of the car. As we look inside, you'll see the interior is in great condition there. The fabric on the seats is nice hard wearing, so ideal for the family, and there's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio, Bluetoothy phone and satellite navigation. A few other features I can mention. The car has climate control as well as cruise control tucked down there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and then automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. As I mentioned, the Karoq's a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening at the back there, lots of leg room and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have these brilliant fold-away picnic tables as well, so the kids will love those. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and deep with the split folding rear seats and the upholstery shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, if you have a look, you've also got a bit of extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the 17-inch alloy wheels and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.